Okay, recording is already in progress. Allow DIS and allow teacher Jermaine to record our session for this afternoon. We also have Noel. Alfonso is also here. So time check, it's already 5:03 in the afternoon. I have 13 participants. For those who are fast readers, and for those who can easily comprehend, I hope you won't find this class boring, okay? Like in the case of Alfonso, he is already good, came with Inda, Catherine. So I hope you won't find this class boring or too slow for you, because what's our goal in here is for you to read English and comprehend well and can understand what you are reading. Okay, before we start with our first story this afternoon, please mute your microphones, please. Microphones, please, Rayhan. Okay. Can you still see me? And can you still hear me? Hello?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Can you still hear me clearly, Tristan?
Yes.
I have already discussed to you the different elements of a story. So, what are the elements of the story? The title, right? We also have the characters, which refers to the persons or the animals in the story, what the story is about. We also have the settings. Okay, what is setting? It may talk about where the story happened. When you say where, when you ask for where, you're referring to a place. You also have to ask, when did it happen? When did it happen? So you can answer time, day, month. Is it in the afternoon, in the morning? So that's the setting of the story. We also have the plot of the story. So when you say plot, it refers to the events that happened in the story. So basically, the main elements of a story. Okay, on my screen, what is the title of the story? On my screen, we have
Sally's pet.
Sally's pet.
a very good, Nicholas. We have Sally's pet. Teacher will be the first to read the story. Then afterwards, I'll be asking a few of you to read the story. Okay, listen. While teacher is reading, you are also going to read it through your eyes. To read it, you can also read it because you are not opening your microphone. Sally's pet. Sally has a new pet. It has red eyes. What kind of pet is it? Her new pet is tan and white. Its fur feels soft. What kind of pet is it? Her pet lives in a cage. It likes to run. What kind of pet is it? Sally helps to feed her new pet. It likes to eat seeds. What kind of pet is it? Sally helps to give her new pet water. It drinks out of a bottle. What kind of pet is it? Sally loves her new pet. Okay, later on, that's the new pet of Sally. Okay, I'll be asking first Rihanna. Rihanna.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, it will be you who is going to read the story first. Okay?
Okay. Sally's
Okay,
pet.
go.
Sally's pet. Sally has a new pet. It has red eyes. What kind of pet is it? Her new pet. Her new pet is tan and white. Its fur feels soft. What kind of pet is it? Her new pet lives in a cage. It likes to run. What kind of pet is it? Sally helps to feed her new pet. It likes to eat seeds. What kind of pet is it? Sally helps to give her new pet water. It drinks out of a bottle. What kind of pet is it? Sally loves her new pet.
Very good, Rihanna. Thank you for reading it well.
Yes, welcome.
Okay, claps. Rihanna. Okay, I would also like to call Clara. Clara. Okay. I want you to read Clara, okay? Okay, from the beginning. Go, Clara. Clara, I cannot hear you, Clara. Come again. I think you need to move closer to your microphone. Okay, go, Clara. Clara, I'm sorry. There's still, Alfonso, can you hear Clara?
No.
Yeah. Clara, I think you need to to rejoin again. Then let's try if your microphone is already working. Okay? We'll wait for you. Okay. Instead, while waiting for Clara, can I have Farrell first? Farrell? Farrell?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, I want you to read Farrell.
Sally has a new pet. It has red eyes. What kind of pet it is it? Her new pet is tan and white. Its fur feels soft. What kind of pet is it? Her new pet lives in a cage. A cage. It likes to run. What kind of pet is it? Sally helps to feed her new pet. It likes to eat seeds. What kind of pet is it? Sally helps to give her new pet water. It's drink out of a bottle. What kind of pet is it? Sally loves her new pet.
Very, very good. Thank you, Farrell.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, that's good. Okay, I still have to ask one more kid to read. Rasa. Can I have you, Rasa?
Yes, Miss.
Can can she? I'll be having you for the next story. Okay. Rasa, go on.
What Sally pet? Sally has a new pet. It has red eyes. What kind of pet is it? Her new pet is then a white. Is for feels soft. What kind of pet is it? Her new pet lives in a cave. It like to run. What kind of pet is it? Sally helps to feed her new pet. It like to eat seeds. What kind of pet is it? Sally helps to give her new pet water. It drinks out of a bottle. What kind of pet is it? Sally loves her new pet.
Very good also. Thank you for reading, Rasa.
You're welcome, Miss.
Let's go back to the first part of the story again. What is the title of the story? The title is
Sally Pet.
um, I want you to answer in complete sentence. You say the title of the story is anyone, Catherine?
Yes, teacher.
What is the title of the story?
Sally's pet.
Okay, you say the title of the story.
The title of the story is Sally's pet.
Very good. Okay. You can just open your microphone if you want to answer, okay? Who has a new pet? Who has a new pet?
Sally.
Sally.
Okay, it is Sally. Sally is a name of what? It's a name of a... What do you think Sally is? Is it the name of an animal?
No, it's person.
Person.
Yes, it's a name of a person. What kind of person is it? Excuse me. What kind of person is it? Hello? What kind of person is Sally? Is it a girl, a boy? What do you think so?
Girl.
Yes, Sally is a girl. So Sally is a noun referring to a name of a person. What is the color of the pet's eye? What is the color?
Red.
The color is?
Red.
Red.
Okay. The eyes are color red. How about the body of the pet? How about the body of the
Tan and white.
Okay, so you have it here. The pet is tan and white. Yes, I'll repeat. The pet is tan and white. Okay, do you know what fur is? F-U-R. Okay, do you know what fur is? F-U-R. Okay, when we say fur, it is a covering of a certain animal. Okay, it is short, it is fine, soft. So that's why it says here that the fur feels soft. The covering of the body of the animal, that is a fur. Where does the pet live? Where does her pet live?
In a cave.
In a cave.
In the cave.
Yes, very good. So in this, the picture in here, this is a cage. Do you think it is a big pet or a small pet?
Small pet.
Yes, it's a small pet because if you look into the cage, it is also small. Although there are other cages that are really big, and that is for those big animals. So the pet also likes to run.
Run.
Let's find out what kind of animal is it. So Sally helps to feed her new pet. What does the pet likes to eat?
Seeds.
What like?
Seeds.
Come again. Yes,
Seeds.
it likes to eat seeds. The next question. Where does the pet drinks water?
Out of a bottle.
We drink out of a bottle.
Yes, drinking out of a bottle.
Water.
That's okay. Does Sally loves her new pet? Does
Yes.
Sally love
Yes.
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 Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Okay. Does she take care of the pet? Does she take care of the pet? Yes or no?
Yes.
Of
Yes.
course. Yes. So the pet has food, it has water, and it also has a shelter. So that's why we can say that Sally loves her new pet. Okay, before look at here. Can you see the picture on my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
What do you think is it? It looks like
Hamster.
a
Hamster.
it's
Hamster.
a hamster.
Hamster.
Who among you here was able to see a hamster in real life? Have you seen a hamster?
Yes, I have a hamster.
Yes, it's cute.
Yes.
Wow. In the school you have hamster? Okay,
I have
so
hamster.
what kind of pet does Sally have? Sally has a what is her
Sally
pet?
loves her new pet.
Yeah, Sally loves her new pet. What is her new pet?
A hamster.
Hamster.
Very good. Alfonso, could you please say that in complete sentence? What is Sally's new pet? Sally's?
new pet
Um,
is a hamster.
Okay, very good. Say it again. Say it again so the other kids can follow Alfonso.
Sally's new pet is a hamster.
Very, very good. Thank you, Alfonso.
You're welcome.
I will be raising again the same question, everybody. I'll be raising again the same question. What is Sally's new pet? What is Sally's new pet? Aside from Alfonso, Nicolas, Clara, Inda, what is Sally's new pet? Catherine, Honey, Justin?
Yes, miss.
Okay, what is Sally's new pet? Justin?
It's hamster.
You say it again. Sally's new pet.
Sally's new pet is hamsters.
Okay. Is a hamster. Very good. Thank you, Justin.
You're welcome, miss.
We will be reading, someone of you will be reading again the story. Can I talk to Aaron? Aaron? Aaron, hello.
Yes, miss.
Okay, hello. Can I ask you to read, Aaron?
With what?
We're going to read the story. Can you read it, Aaron?
Yes.
Okay. Can you start now, Aaron?
Sally has a new pet. It has red eyes. What kind of pet is it? Her new pet is tan and white. Its fur feels fluffy.
Soft.
What kind of pet is? Her new pet lives in a cage. It likes to run.
Okay, continue.
What kinds of pet it is? Sally helped to feed her new pet. It liked to eat seed. What kind of pet it is? Is it? Silas helped to give her new pet water. It drinks out of a bottle. What kinds of pet is it? Silas loved her new pet.
Yes, very, very good. Thank you, Aaron.
Thank you, Miss.
Yes. Okay. Okay, very good. Aaron was able to read the story. Okay, this time, let's try to answer. Okay, let's try to answer the different comprehension questions. Okay, we are going to choose the correct answer. So you're going to read the question, read the choices, then you pick the correct answer. Okay, again, you read the question, read the choices, then you're going to give the correct answer. Can I ask, Honey, can I ask you to read number 1?
Yes, Miss. Choose the correct answer. What color eyes do Sally's pet have? A, A blue, B purple, C green, D red. Is D red.
Yeah. Come again, what's the answer?
Red, Miss.
Very good. Okay, Honey's answer is red, and the correct answer is letter D, red. Very good. Thank you, Honey.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, next question. Okay, next question. How about Catherine for the next question?
Where does Sally's pet live? A. In a dresser. B. In a cage. C. In a glass bowl. D. In a tent. The answer is B. In a cage.
Very, very good. So Sally's pet lives in a cage. Letter B. Next. Hey, Nicholas is raising his hand. Next question is for Nicholas. Go, Nicholas.
The next one, right?
Yes.
What does Sally's pet like to eat? A. Ice cream. B. Marshmallows. C. Seeds. D. Pizza. The answer is C. Seeds.
Very good. So Sally's pet likes to eat seeds. Okay, thank you, Nicholas.
Welcome, Miss.
So it's very easy for you to answer the questions as long as you understand what you are reading. Okay. I want you, okay, let's have first this activity. We are going to put the words in order to make each sentence. Again, put the words in order to make each sentence. So for sentence number 1, we have fur, soft, eats, then feels. So what we are going to do, arrange the words. We are going to arrange it so that we can make a sentence. So what should come first? Okay, let's do the first one all together. Okay. What should come first?
It's.
It's.
Sorry. Okay, for a while. Okay. Next to it, what is it?
Fur.
Yes.
Full.
Yang sering habis. Yang
Next,
cepat
fur.
Feels.
Feels.
Yes, next.
Feels soft. Soft.
Then after soft, what are we going to put
Red.
at the last?
Here.
Yes, in the period
Yeah,
because it
period.
is a sentence. So teacher will be reading it again. Its fur feels soft.
Soft.
Yes. So that is what we are going to do for the next one. But first, I'll be asking, can I ask Josephine first? Josephine,
Yes, miss.
I want you to read all the words given for the number 2. Okay,
Eat, do, likes, sits, eat.
Okay, come
Eat,
again.
do, likes, sits, eat.
I'll be giving you 1 minute or maybe 30 seconds to analyze what should comes first. The next for us to make a
Eat,
sentence. Okay, yes, Josephine? The first one
eat,
should be?
eat.
Pour, soft, it feels. It, to, like,
It
it,
like
Yes, like, next.
to
Mm-mm.
eat,
Very good. Next.
sits.
Yes. Then at the last part, what should we use, Josephine?
A
What should we
period.
put? Put the period. Very good. I want you to read it now.
Terus susun ini kalimat yang mana
It
yang
likes to eat sits.
ini
Okay,
cara
the correct answer is it likes to eat seed.
it
Thank you,
feels.
Josephine.
And
You're welcome, miss.
Yes, you're doing good. Hey, next, we still have one in here. Okay, we still have one.
Nanti dulu ya, Ma.
Okay, we still have one.
lagi cuma jam 5 doang jalannya sampai jam 6. Selesai jam 6 udah selesai bahasa Inggris.
Itu beneran.
Iya.
Alfonso, you want to try?
Yes.
Okay, but first, I want you to read first the words given.
Okay.
Kalian nyari orang
Out,
ngobrol.
follow it straight off.
Okay, read it again, Alfonso.
Out, follow it straight off.
Okay, let's try to arrange the words. What should come first?
Ya.
It.
Itu beneran.
Beneran. Kalau mau
Okay,
pasang mukanya,
continue.
Strings.
kalau mau pasang. Mau lihat muka Dede. Nih.
Out,
Semuanya lihat muka kita gak?
Iya.
off,
Kalau dipasang mukanya semua kayak dia nih, dia dipasang mukanya.
Okay, then at the last part, Alfonso.
period.
It's a period.
Drinks out of a bottle.
Okay, is teacher right if I'm going to put this a period, Alfonso?
No.
Yes, so teacher is wrong. I'm going to delete that. Okay, is that a period now?
Yes.
Yes, read now the correct answer.
It drinks out of a bottle.
Ya, atasnya
Very,
ini.
very good. Thank you,
Cara-
Alfonso.
You're welcome.
Okay, so do you find it? Do you find it easy?
Yes.
Yes, maybe for some.
super easy.
Okay, for some it's easy, super easy. I hope other kids are also following.
Super duper easy.
Oh, it's super duper easy.
Ya, sit.
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 Mana nanti dulu.
Rayhan, your microphone, please.
Oh, main kalian.
Rayhan. Rayhan, hello.
Oh, JJ wins.
We also have Audrey and Shanessa. Hello? Audrey and Shanessa. Hello? How about JT Twin? JJ Twins? Hello? Okay. So maybe they'll be opening their microphone. Yes, hello. Raise, raise their hands. JJ Twins, hello? Hello, welcome to TIS.
I'm sorry,
That's,
Miss.
hello. Yes, ma'am. Welcome to TIS. Priscilla, hello.
Hello.
Hello. Is this your first time joining TIS, Priscilla? Yes.
I don't know, but my mom is assuming to join this.
Yes, it's okay. You're very much welcome. Welcome to TIS, Priscilla. How old are you?
9 years old.
9 years old already. So you are already in grade 3? Grade 3, grade 4?
Grade 3
Still in grade 3. Where do you study, Priscilla?
in Santa Lucia.
Still in Santa Lucia. I hope I am not. Were you able to attend TIS classes before? Not yet? Oh, not yet. So this is really your first time. Because during my first year, I also have a learner whose name is Priscilla. I was thinking that it was you. Hey, hi Priscilla. Welcome to TIS.
Thank you, Miss.
Yes. I hope I can see you in our classes, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So that is our first story for this afternoon. So we have Sally's pet. Okay, Sally's pet. Let's move now to another story. Just a very simple story. Catherine, can you see the new story now? Or no?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. What is the title of the story, Catherine?
The title of the story is Making Pizza.
Very good. Can I ask you to read it first? Others can also read later.
Okay, teacher. We are making a pizza. First, we make the dough with flour and eggs. We flatten the dough into a round shape. Then we put tomato sauce and cheese on top. The pizza goes into the oven. In a few minutes, it is ready to eat.
Very good. Okay. Wow, I can really see the improvement, Catherine. Thank you.
You're welcome, teacher.
Yes,
There's so many tomatoes on the pizza.
I will also be asking Clara. I hope your microphone is working now. Clara, try to talk. I hope I can hear you. Hello, Clara. Hmm, I don't know what happened. Inda, can you hear Clara?
No, Miss.
I also cannot hear. Clara, you just listen to us, okay? Okay. Instead of Clara, okay, I'll be asking Josephine to read. Josephine,
Yes, Miss.
okay, try to read.
Okay, Miss. Making pizza. We are making a pizza. First, we make the dough with flour and eggs. We flatten the dough into a round shape. Then we put tomato sauce and cheese on top. The pizza goes into the oven. In a few minutes, it is ready to eat.
Very good. Okay. Thank you, Josephine.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, I hope while the other kids are reading, you are also reading in your end. Okay, can I ask Priscilla? Can I ask you, Priscilla?
Miss, Miss,
Yes, Nicolas.
there's
I'll
so
be
many
asking you next.
so many tomatoes on pizza.
Yes, yes. Next, I'll be asking you. Priscilla. If not, Priscilla, Nicolas, are you ready to read?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, go.
Making pizza. We are making a pizza. First, we make the dough with flour and eggs. We flatten the dough into a round shape. Then we put tomato sauce and cheese on top. The pizza goes into the oven. In a few minutes, it's ready to eat.
Yes, good. As always, very well, Nicolas, thank you. Before we go to the guided questions, who among you here loves to eat pizza? Who among you here loves to eat pizza?
Me.
You love pizza, Alfonso?
Yes.
Yes,
Me too.
very. You too, Inda?
Yes.
Yes. What kind of pizza do you love to eat? Do you love to eat pizza with those having many vegetables or many green ones like pepper? No? How about you, Alfonso? What kind of pizza do you want to eat?
I'm very like to eat pizza, pepperoni pizza.
Yes, the pepperoni one, just like the one in the picture, right? It's a pepperoni pizza.
Yes, and also with
Without the,
Alfredo sauce.
with that kind of sauce. Okay, it seems delicious, Alfonso. Okay, we have Celine and Celine. Celine, okay, take this to
Miss,
Hello, Miss.
yes, Nicolas.
have you ever tried pineapple on pizza?
Oh, you don't like pineapples on pizza?
Yeah.
So you don't want the Hawaiian pizza because it has pineapple here, right? Do you find it weird, Nicolas, to eat
Yes,
pineapples on pizza?
very weird.
Oh, very weird. Okay. So, what is the shape of the pizza in here? What is it? What is its shape? What is the shape of the pizza? It is,
Wow.
yes, it is round. Okay, what are what ingredients are on top of the pizza? What ingredients or what can we see on top of the pizza? What do we put on it?
Tomato
We put,
sauce.
yes, and
Tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce and cheese on top.
yes, Rasa, you have tomato sauce and cheese on top. After putting all everything, where will the pizza go? Where are we going to put the pizza?
Into the oven. Into
Yes,
the oven.
Josephine, very good. Into the oven. And after a few minutes, it is
It's ready to eat.
yes, we can now eat and enjoy the. I hope all of you can eat and enjoy your favorite pizza soon. Let us try now. Oh, we only have 3 questions for this one. 3 questions. Okay, number 1, I would like to have Celine and Sepine. You want to read and answer, Celine? Sepine? Hello? Oh. Hello?
Hello, Miss.
Yes, hello. Can you try to read question number 1?
Flour and egg.
Flour and egg.
Yes, I want you to read the question first. What do you use? Okay, what?
What do you use?
What do you use to make pizza dough?
Okay, to make a pizza dough, what are we going to use? Is it A, flour and eggs, or letter B, rice and water?
Flour and egg.
Yes, you have letter A, flour and eggs, or what you need to make a pizza dough. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. Yes, you're welcome. Sundara. Sundara.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. So how about question number 2? Read it slowly.
What do we
Put
put on top of the pizza?
Very good. What do we put on top of the pizza? Is it A, milk and butter? Or letter B, tomato sauce and cheese?
Tomato sauce and
Sauce, cheese.
cheese.
Yes, we are going to put the tomato sauce and the cheese on top. Very good. Wow, thumbs up, Sundara. Okay, next to Sundara, can I have Kenshi? Kenshi? Hello. Maybe Greece. Greece? Greece? Okay, not Greece. Farrell?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, try it. Do you want to answer, Farrell?
What do you
Okay, question number
flour?
3. Question number 3. That's one.
Oh, in the oven.
Again. Read the question
A.
first. Where?
Where do we cook the pizza?
Yes.
In the oven.
The correct answer is letter A, in the oven. Okay,
In the oven.
Yes, thank you, Farrell.
You're welcome. Yes.
Okay, kids, as you notice in here, we have A, in the oven. The letter B, on the oven. On the stove. Okay, on the stove. So, of course, we are not going to use the stove, but we are going to use an oven to cook the pizza. Okay? So that's very easy. So the next, our second story is about making pizza. So when making pizza, we need dough. Okay, in making the dough, we need flour and eggs. We're going to flatten it into round shape. Then we put tomato sauce and cheese on top. Afterwards, we're going to put the pizza into the oven. In a few minutes, it is ready to eat. Okay, time check 5:49. So we can still read the next one. Tristan, can you see the next story, Tristan?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, I want you to read it first. Go,
Okay.
Tristan.
The classroom. My teacher is Mrs. Brown. We have 10 desks and 10 students. On the wall is our artwork. We have cut out and painted turkeys and Thanksgiving. During recess, we play on the monkey bars. In the afternoon, Mrs. Brown reads a story. Then it is the time to go home.
Okay, thank you, Tristan. Noel, can I ask you next, Noel?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, please read.
My teacher is Mr. Brown. We have 10 desks for 10 students.
Noel, start from the title.
The classroom. My teacher is Mrs. Brown. We have 10 desks for 10 students. On the wall is our artwork. We have cut out and painted turkeys for Thanksgiving. During recess, we play on the monkey bars. In the afternoon, Mrs. Brown reads a story. Then it is time to go home.
Okay, very good also. Thank you. Inda, next. Inda.
Yes, Miss. The classroom. My teacher is Mrs. Brown. We have 10 desks for 10 students. On the wall is our artwork. We have cut out and painted turkeys for Thanksgiving. During recess, we play on the monkey bars. In the afternoon, Mrs. Brown reads a story. Then it is time to go home.
Okay, very good. Nicholas, I would also ask you to read, Nicholas.
Okay, Miss, the classroom. My teacher is Mrs. Brown. We have 10 desks for 10 students. On the wall is our artwork. We have cut out and painted turkeys for Thanksgiving. During recess, we play on the monkey bars. In the afternoon, Mrs. Brown reads a story. Then it's time to go home.
Okay, very good. Honey, can I also ask you, Honey?
Yes, Miss. The classroom. My teacher is Mrs. Brown. We have 10 desks for 10 students. On the wall is our artwork. We have cut out and paint turkeys for Thanksgiving. During recess, we play on the monkey bars. In the afternoon, Mrs. Brown reads a story. When it is time to go home.
Very good. Okay. Last three. Rihanna, can I have you again? Rihanna, can I have you again? Maybe Rihanna can hear me. Alfonso, can I have you instead? Alfonso?
Yes, Miss.
The classroom. My teacher is Mrs. Brown. We have 10 desks for 10 students. On the wall is our artwork. We have cut out and painted turkeys for Thanksgiving. During recess, we play on the monkey bars. In the afternoon, Mrs. Brown reads a story. Then it is time to go home.
Yes, thank you, Alfonso. Next, Aaron.
My teacher is Mr. Brown. We have 10 desks for 10 students. On the wall is our artwork. We have cut out the paint turkey for Thanksgiving. During breaks, we play on the monkey bar. In the afternoon, Mr. Brown read a story. Then it is time to go home.
Aaron, this is Mrs. It's with letter S. Come again, Aaron. Mrs.
Mrs.
Yes, thank you, Aaron. One last, Catherine. Am I done with you, Catherine? Not yet.
Not yet,
Not yet.
teacher.
Okay, yes, go, Catherine.
The classroom. My teacher is Mrs. Brown. We have 10 desks for 10 students. On the wall is our artwork. We have cut out and painted turkeys for Thanksgiving. During recess, we play on the monkey bars. In the afternoon, Mrs. Brown reads a story. Then it is time to go home.
Okay, thank you, Catherine. Thank you. So what is the title of the story? What's the title of the story?
The classroom.
Yes. What's the name of the teacher? Who's the teacher?
Mrs. Brown.
Mrs. Brown.
Very good. How many desks does the classroom have? How many desks?
Student.
Yes, the classroom has 10 desks. And how many students?
10 students.
10 desks for the 10
Student.
Where are the artwork being posted?
On the wall.
On the wall. So what do they have for Thanksgiving? What do they have for Thanksgiving?
Turkey.
Cut out and painted
turkeys.
turkeys.
Okay, Josephine, what do they have for Thanksgiving?
Cut out and painted turkeys for Thanksgiving.
Yes, they have cut out and painted turkeys for Thanksgiving. Okay, that's good. What do the kids do during recess? What do the kids do during recess?
We play on the monkey bars.
Play on the monkey bars.
Very, very good, Catherine. And how about in the afternoon? What does Mrs. Brown do to them?
Mrs. Brown reads a story.
And after that one, it is time to
Go
Go home.
Okay, that's very easy. Let me check first the time.
Go home.
Okay, we still have 3 minutes. It's okay. So number 1, what is the teacher's name? What is the teacher's name?
Mrs. Brown.
Mr. Brown.
Yeah.
It's not Mr. Brown, okay?
Mrs. Brown.
Yes,
Brown.
Mrs. Brown.
Okay, Inda, read question number 2, Inda.
How many students are there?
10.
The answer is 10 students.
10 students. Next, Alfonso, number 3.
What is hanging on the wall?
Yes, what's hanging on the wall?
Cut out and painted turkey.
Okay, and those cutouts and those paintings are
For Thanksgiving.
yes, for Thanksgiving. Catherine, number 4.
What do they do during recess?
Yes.
We,
What do they do during recess?
we play They play on the monkey bars.
Yes, very good. Okay, thank you. Noel, number 5. Last question, Noel.
What does Mrs. Brown do in the afternoon? In the afternoon, Mrs. Brown reads a story.
Okay, so in the afternoon, Mrs. Brown is going to read the story. And after reading the story, it is time for them to go home. Okay, it's very easy. So let me check first. Okay. So I'll be stopping my presentation now. So I'm very happy that all of you are very participative today. So we have Sally's pet, making pizza, and the classroom. Yeah, so I hope you won't forget about this one. You won't forget about the story. Although we don't, Sir Harry said that we don't have any class for this class, but I'll be encouraging you to answer questions. For me also to test your reading comprehension. So, what a very good discussion today. Teacher is very happy to have all of you. It's already time. I guess I'll be meeting you again next week. Okay? So I'll be meeting all of you again next week. Okay? So see you again. See you again next week. Thank you for being with me.
See you.
See you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. I'll see you next time. I'll end now the next time. Bye-bye.
Bye, Miss.
Bye-bye, Rasa. Honey, thank you, Tristan. Thank you.
Miss.
Thank you.